student, welcome back to the second part of the video for grade 9 mathematics for chapter 13 surface area and volume. So in previous video we have learned about how the formula has come up, its concept for 6 figures, and for cube and cuboid how to work it out for certain question. For exercise 13.1 has been over. So in this video we'll be going further for cylinder and exercise 13.2. okay. So let me start with first question of 13.2 to give you a clear concept of it. Exercise 13.2, question number 1. The curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88. Now be very clear, 14 and 88, two figures are given there. It is clearly said height is 14. So h 14 centimeter, and read from the beginning, curved surface area of blah 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 is 88. That means CSA is 88. Do not get confused in this type of question. Okay, CSA of cylinder is 88. Now find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. You are going to find the diameter. In order to find diameter, we first need to know radius. Now remember, diameter is double of the radius. In a circle, if this is a circle, this is what we call diameter. So this and this half part we call radius. So if 2 times radius is done, we get diameter. So let us first find radius. So we will start from here. CSA of cylinder. What is the formula I have given you? 2 pi RH. So in place of CSA, write 2 pi RH is equal to 88 centimeter square will remain there because we are going to find R. Now whenever pi comes up, use the formula. Formula for pi is 22 by 7. So write here 22 by 7. R you are going to find. H is given 14 is 88. Okay. Now here 7 can cancel 14. 7 2s is 14. Sometimes 7 will not divide any of them. At that time, in place of 22 by 7, you can write 3.14. Value of pi is 3.14 in a significant figure. Okay. 7 2 is 14. Now 22 2s are 44. 44 into 2 is 88. Into R is 88. Now let R be here. 88 will go and divide. So 88 by 88 is 1 centimeter. That means radius is 1. So what would be the diameter? 2 times R. So 2 into 1 is 2 centimeter. Clear? So this is how we calculate. Now similarly, let us go to question number 2. Your height is given, diameter is given. You are asked to find the closed. Whenever the word closed cylindrical tank comes up, they are asking TSA. So you are going to find TSA, but diameter is given. You have to find first radius. Okay. For question number 2, you will write diameter 140, but find out radius. Radius would be half of that. 140 divided by 2. That is 70. And then other things are given. Find TSA. Formula you already have. Number 3 you can do. Number 4, let me do it for you. It says the diameter of roller. So whenever we call it roller, it is cylindrical in shape. Okay, you might have seen the roller. So is 84 centimeter. Diameter 84. Find out radius. 84 by 2. 42. It takes diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length. Since it is a roller would be like this, and radius we have found it out, length. So when we call it length, cylinders, height it would be. So h is given 120. It takes 500 complete revolution to move around once to level a playground. It is moving. One rotation means this part, it is rotating. See, this is a cylinder. It has started from here. It is rotating once. Such rotation, it is completing 500. Okay. So number of revolution is 500. Now your question is, find the area of the playground. Okay, area of playground. Now what kind of shape that playground is not has been given, but it is clearly said that cylinder has been rolled for 500 times to cover up all the area. Then using the cylinder itself we can find the area of playground. So first, once it is being rolled, what kind of area for that cylinder has been covered? So cylinder has two areas, CSA and TSA. Which area it is used? Obviously CSA, because it is rolling this part, not top and bottom. It's excluded, okay? So we will find CSA first. CSA of cylinder. 2 pi RH. Pi is 22 by 7. R we have 42. H we have 120. 7, 6 is 42. Let us multiply all. 22 into 2, 44. Into 6, 6, 4, 24, 2, 6, 4, 26. Into 12. 120, 0 we'll put it in the end. 2, 6, 12. 1, 2, 4, 5. 4, 6, 2. 8, 6, 6, 5, 11, 3. And 0, 8. So that means 31680 centimeter square is the same. But it is clearly said 500 revolution. 1 revolution, 1 CSA. 2 revolution, 2 times CSA. 3 revolution, 3 times CSA. 500 revolution, so total area of playground would be 500 times 31680 centimeter square. Okay. Your question is asking to find the area in meter square though. Okay, we have to in the end convert centimeter to meter. Now 1, 2, 3 zeros, so let us put 3 zeros in the back. So 5 will multiply 3168. So 585 is 40, 0, 4, 6, 5, 34, 4, 3, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5, 3, 15. That means 1584000 centimeters square. Okay. Now we have to convert it to meter square. So centimeter to meter we obviously divide by what? 100. But the problem here is centimeter is in square. That means 2 times it is coming. So we will have to divide by 100 2 times. 100 into 100. Okay, that means 4 zeros. So whatever value 1584, 4 zeros, divide by 100 into 100. Now it is meter square. Okay. If it was cube, you will divide it by 3 times 100. 100 into 100 into 100. Okay. Now 2 0 cut, 2 0 cut. That means 1584 meter square. Clear? Like this, you can complete same concept of using finding cost. Cost is rate into area. Same concept, use it as like previous exercise and complete all the question. Everything you can do it in here. If any doubt you can ask. Now for cone, let us do 1 or 2 example for it. Question number exercise 13.3, question number 1 says diameter of the base of cone is 10.5. Diameter is given 10.5 centimeter. Find radius. Divide by 2. 2 5s are 10. 0.25. Slant height is given 10. Slant height L. Find its CSA. CSA, we clearly have formula for cone is pi RL. Pi RL. Pi is 22 by 7. R we have L. So with 7 divided, whatever comes that much centimeter square is your CSA. Simple. Like that, continue. Number 3, 4 also you can do. 5 also you can do. Question number 7, where number is involved. That one I'll be. But remember one more concept. In somewhere in the question, height will be given, but they will be asking you to find CSA. Okay. In a cone, there are 2 types of height. Unlike cylinder, cone has slant height and vertical height, two things, okay. So if in the question, if they say just height, if height of the cone is 10 centimeter for example, okay, and radius is 25 centimeter for example, and they ask you to find CSA. Now CSA involves pi RL. We need slant height. It has not been given. In that case, you will calculate the slant height separately. Slant height L is equal to under root R square plus H square. This formula you will be using. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, you have done read it also. So radius is 25 square, height is 10 square. 625 plus 100. 725. This would be your L, and this L you will use it. Most of the time it comes out perfect square, so you can bring it out of the root. If you cannot bring it out of the root, you can remain it in the form of root itself, okay? Now let us look at question number 7. Says a joker's cap, okay, is in the form of right circular cone of radius 7, height 24. Find the area of sheet required to make 10 such caps. 10, so number of cap is given. Okay. Now, when we say cap, what kind of area for cone we will find? CSA or TSA? Obviously CSA, because on the down surface would be open so that we can put, the joker can put its head inside, okay? That means CSA. And in order to find CSA, what the formula we have, pi RL needs L, but L is not given, height is given like before. So you first find L. L is under root R square plus H square. R is 7. H is 24. 7 square is 49. 24 square, let us multiply and check. 4, 4, 16, 6, 1, 48, 9. 2, 4, 8, 2, 2, 4. 6, 7, 1, 5. 576. Now let us add them. 9 plus 6, 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 625. The way I have told you before, it has a perfect square root. So under root 625 is 25 centimeter. Now finally find CSA. CSA is pi RL. Put the value 22 by 7. R is 7 and L we have just found 25. 7, 7 cancel. Multiply them. 25 into 22. 50, 50. That means 550. But your question doesn't end here. This is CSF 1 cap, but it is said they are going to make 10 such caps. So whenever more quantities are asked to find, for 1 if it is 550, for 2 it would be 2 into 550, 3, 3 into 550, 10, 10 into 550. That means total area required is CSA into number of times we are going to make it. So 550 into 10, 5500 centimeter square. Okay, this is how you can complete all the questions. Number 8 also you can do similarly. Okay, so similarly we have exercise 13.4. It is about sphere and hemisphere areas. Same formula will be used, like your radius will be given and they'll be either asking you to find SA or curved surface area for hemisphere or total surface area. You can do it in same way. That's your work. Please complete it. But one question I'll do it for you, which is a bit different. Question number 9, 13.4. Figure is given like this. There is a cylinder. Inside cylinder, a ball is kept, that is sphere. And it is said a right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. Okay. Then you are asked to find surface area of sphere. surface area of sphere. Next, curved surface area of cylinder and ratios of 1 and 2. Simple. It is clearly said this sphere is of radius r and it is exactly fitting in cylinder. Then obviously diameter of cylinder and diameter of sphere is equal. So radius of cylinder also has to be r. Okay. So surface area of sphere in terms of r, we have formula directly 4 pi r square. CSA of cylinder, we have formula 2 pi r h. So, but here h is not given, r is r, no doubt, because radius for sphere and cylinder is same, but height. Now, this diameter would be the height for cylinder. Why? Because this down part, this is also r, upper part is also r. So, r plus r will give you this total height. That means 2r. So, in place of r, 2r. So 2 into 2, 4 pi r square. Okay. Now third question is ratio. Find the ratio. Ratio means divide them. So first one, 4 pi r square, divide by second, 4 pi r square. That is 1 is to 1. This is how you'll do. Complete all the question. It's very easy. Now we'll go for the calculation of volume. Okay. 13.5. Okay, look at exercise 13.5, question number 1. A matchbox measures 4 centimeter into 2.5 into 1.5 centimeter. Whenever like this dimension is given, remember this encloses L, B and H. So this means L is 4, B is 2.5, H is 1.5. Okay. The question is, what will be the volume of the packet containing 12 such boxes? Now, big box is containing 12 such boxes. Okay. So we will find volume of one box first. Volume of one box. That would be volume of cuboid. LBH given, so obviously cuboid will use. That is L into B into H. 4 into 2.5 into 1.5. Multiply them. 2.5 into 4. That means after 0.1 digit 10. 10 into 1.5, 15. Okay? And centimeter cube you will do. That is for one box. Such there are 12. So volume of 12 boxes would be 15 into 12. Multiply them, whatever comes, that much centimeter cube. Like that. Next, a cuboidal water tank, 6 meter long, breadth, height is given. How many liters of water can it hold? How many liters? They are now asking in liter, not in meter cube. Okay. So let us check. For number 2, given is length 6, breadth 5, height 4.5. First, let us find how much whenever it can hold comes up, holding means quantity is being filled. So it is asking about volume. So let us find volume first. Volume of cuboid. LBH is given, so cuboid. L into B into H will do 6 into 5 into 4.5. 30, 4.5, point cancel, 0 cancel. 135 meter cube. But your question is asking to find in liter. Remember, meter cube is biggest and then comes liter and then comes centimeter cube. Okay. Meter cube is biggest, then liter and then centimeter cube. If there is 1000 liter, it gives you 1 meter cube. Okay. 1000 liter gives you 1 meter cube. Similarly, 1000 centimeter cube will give you 1 liter. Okay. 1000 centimeter cube, 1 liter. 1000 liter, 1 meter cube. Remember that thing. It goes this way. By 1000. Multiply. If you change it, it will be dividing obviously. So 135 meter cube is there. Your question is to find in liter. So liter means in smaller quantity you are converting, you have to multiply by 1000. So 135,000 liter is your answer. Okay. Like that, you can do question number 3, 4. In 4, the word digging is used. Find the cost of digging cuboidal pit. So cuboidal LBH is given, you will find volume. Whenever digging comes up, the word volume will be used. Because when you are digging, certain quantity from it you are taking out. Okay? That's why quantity is related, we calculate it in volume. Okay? After calculating volume, find the cost. Cost is rate into volume. Ahead it was rate into area, now volume. Okay? You can continue this. Number 5 also you can do. Number 6 I'll do it for you. Village having a population of 4,000. Number of people is 4,000. Requires 150 liters of water per head. Okay? Require water 150 liter per head in a day. It has a measuring tank. Tank measurement is given. Length, breadth, height. For how many days will the water in this tank last is a question. Now let us find the capacity of tank first. So the tank is being filled, obviously volume will calculate it. So volume of tank, L into B into H, 20, 15, 6. 3300 into 16, 631881, 4800 meter cube is the tank in that village. Okay. Now question is, how many days? How many is a number? Like before in revolution came up like cylinder. So whenever number is asked, we have a very basic formula. Big volume by small volume will divide, or big area by small area. Always to find numbers. Okay. Now here, since we are dealing with volume, we will calculate both the volumes. First volume found out. Now volume of water required for the people will find it. If one person needs 150 liter, okay, and there are 4,000 people, so what would be the total volume of water required? It would be 4,000 into 150, but liter. So let us convert liter to meter cube. Okay. So I have told you before. How do you convert liter to meter cube? Liter is smaller, meter cube is bigger, and small to big we have to divide by 1000. So 150 by 1000. Now it's meter cube. 3030 cut. 2002 from the 4 600 meter cube. Okay. Now finally let us find number of days. Now bigger volume is obviously 4800. So volume of tank by volume of water required. So that is 4800 by 600. That means 3. So it would be used for 3 days. Clear? So this is a bit different one. Now like that, remaining you can do 13.5. 13.6 also, similar concept. Whenever centimeter cube comes, you want to convert to liter. Remember 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter. And you can do this particular question. All 13.7 also you can do. And 8 also. But because concept is same, volume only. But I will not be giving you every questions and all the things, because it will be too much for you to complete within 1 week. So that's why I'll be selecting a certain question and giving it into your assignment. Now kindly do that. So remember to check all the 3 videos being posted. Go through it, learn properly the concept. PPT will be sending you formulas for all the figures and the concept how to calculate it. So remember those formula, it is required in grade 10 also. And remember chapter 10 and chapter 12 and 13 together comes for 13 marks, so it's very important. So do it well. Any doubt and queries, you can always call and ask for the help. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.